There are 4 easy steps to making a pan sauce. Today, I'm using boneless pork chops to create this rich and flavorful dish. The first step is to heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on medium-high heat in a skillet. Add in your meat. Cook them until they are done. Remove and set aside. Next, pour off the remaining fat from the skillet, leaving the brown bits in the bottom of the pan. You're going to add a half a cup of liquid. You're going to cook this for about 5 minutes until the liquid starts to thicken or reduce by half. Take this sauce, drizzle it over your pork chops, and you are good to go. And I will see you next time with more Back to Basics.